Okay, good day sa tanan. So, we'll solve no ang kining 3x no kaning mga examples here no for you to follow no sa pag-solve. So, we have what if natay 3 lang natay 3x over x plus 1 plus x no, over x plus 1. So, ang bahato na ni is will copy no sa denominator since it is similar fractions and no, ang rule niya is copy lang sa denominator. And from here, no, we can directly add sa numerator no which is ang 3x no plus x. So we have here 3x x plus 1 and we need to add 3x plus x. So ang since positive man eh. So i-add lang nato ang numerical coefficient. No? Ang numerical coefficient sa x is na ay 1 diri. So we have 3 plus 1 no? It's 4x no. Copy lang itong variable. So we have this one. Next, 2x minus 4 and 3. So ito lang 2x minus 4. Okay, we're 2x minus 4 over x plus 1 minus tama ba minus 3 minus 3 over x plus 1. So we'll copy sa denominator no ang x plus 1 and we'll directly um, subtract no sa expression nga nabilin. So ang 2x is walay pares, we'll copy this one 2x and kini no constant and constant. So this is negative no, negative 4 and negative 3. So ang atong buhaton basta gani same nga sign sa duha ka number. So we'll add the number and copy the sign. So 4 plus 3 it's 7. No, ang yang sign is negative. So negative 7. So this is our final answer. Okay? So we'll proceed. No, what if na ay dissimilar denominator or rational algebraic expression? So what if we have this one? So 1r 1 over okay, na dissimilar. So what if no dissimilar? Okay. So what if nakay 2 over 2r plus 3 over 3s. So itong buhaton is we need to find the LCD first. So we'll factor this one and find the common number and um, then multiply. So we have 2r, yes, 2 times r no ang factor sa 2r is 2 times r and sa 3s is 3 times s. So we need to find common sila. If wala, so we'll need to multiply all these expression no to have our LCD. So 2 times 3 is 2 times 3 times r times s which is equal to um, 6rs. So you have here 6rs. No? 6rs divide no, ang this expression is divide nato sa denominator dali and then multiply sa um yang numerator. So we have 6rs divide 2r. So 6 is 2 times 3. So we'll cancel this one, cancel, and r and r. 3s. So So 3s times 2. So 2 times 3s plus 6 6s. Okay, the example 6rs divide na to 3s. So may mo na siyang 2 times 3. So 3 3. So you have 2r. So 3 times 2r. So equals to 6s plus 6r over 6rs. Okay, from here, di ba? So we can um 'di ba napatay ma-extract ani, no? So from here, pwede na to ni ma-factor out, no? Ang common yang 6, no? So ipagawas na to ang 6. So kay common man ni sila, no? 6s plus r. This one, no, 'di ba? Pag i-multiply na to ni siya, mobalik ni siya original niyang expression. So 6s plus, no, 6 times s is 6s plus 6 times r is 6r. So we have this one and 6rs. We can divide or can cancel na to ang 6 both sides, no? So we have this one. And ang mabilin is s plus r over no. So ang tabo niya mabilin is r s. Okay.